So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing this 30-gallon natural gas water heater, Bradford White. So this is the documentation right here, the URG 130T6N and serial number. You go to bradfordwhite.com and get this registered, get your warranty going on it. So we went ahead and built a new stand. The stand that was in there was just a piece of junk. So we came in, brand new green plate on the bottom all the way around, and then of course a nice platform, just like a framed wall, and then 3/4 plywood as opposed to the 1/2-inch OSB. So that is installed. Lower third we've got the strap. Upper third we've got the strap. We did take and extend the waters up, mainly because they're down below the top of the water heater. So we got this piped up. Hot and cold shutoff valves, brand new. It's only required on the cold side, but we put it on the hot side in the event that you've got some cross connections inside. So that way, if you want to work on this, anytime you got to change it, just shut the valves off, you're good to go. We did go ahead and mount some blocks on the wall just to keep these pipes from moving around. They were moving in and out quite aggressively. So now they're strapped up there, which is good. New Falcon stainless steel connectors, 3/4, all the way down on the hot, all the way down on the cold to brass. The home is iron pipe, so no big deal there. Our point of connection down here, we put brass in because at the tank we want to keep it as clean as possible. Brass does not corrode. So coupling and a nipple there, so that's good. Brand new vent going up there. We got a dual wall B vent that was existing that went through. We added another one to it. Put lots of straps on there. It doesn't look pretty, but it keeps that pipe from moving around. And then of course everything down here is screwed in. Relief line was just dumping down here on the floor in the garage, so we went ahead and got some CPVC, an adapter, dumped it down, got it blocked, and dumped out to the back of the wall. So everything here is good. We do have to get the gas line tied in, so we're going to get this piped over. We're trying to fit a washing machine in here, so we need 27 in the clear. Pipe stubbed out a little far, so we'll see what we can do to get it moved over and then get piped in and get it connected without interfering with this space. Additionally, if we remember, we'd like to get a flush plug for this assembly here instead of that raised plug. Flush plug, it's just going to give you another inch, but at least it'll allow you to slide your washer back. Of course, he's still got stucco to put back in, so once he's got the stucco in, if it's burying a lot of this anyways, we won't worry about the plug because you can't push it back that far. This is the second assembly that we installed. Hot and cold water was coming up, so you got hot water here, cold water there, and it was just coming up and stubbing out of the wall. And then of course this was the old trap, 1.5-inch iron pipe, stubbed down. It fell apart as soon as we touched it. So what we've done is we've utilized that point of connection down here at this Durham T. Just took the trap out, or cut it out, put an adapter on. We're going to use that as the clean out. Went ahead and tied in here. It's only 1.5 inch line, but that's all that it is underneath the house. And we're not going to crawl down there and try and upsize it. So what we've got, we come up, put a band on, a bell reducer, which is upside down, and a full 2-inch trap. So that's going to allow a lot of water to funnel down through here and drop down. Got it tied back into the iron pipe. Pecs over to the brand new box that's in the wall, hot and cold, so that's an Uponor box. And then of course we got a block behind there and it's screwed, so it's real sturdy. No problem with that. We do recommend that you get a drain cleaner out here. We don't do drain cleaning, but get a drain cleaner out to get on the roof and run a snake down that vertical line to get all the debris out. Otherwise it won't be able to breathe correctly. And then also snake out this line to get the debris out that was in there, just to make sure that the water is going to flow real good in there. So we're going to get started with some other projects outside of that. These two installations are done.